Morning habits. Ugh, my alarm just went off. I always hit the snooze button 3 times.
I used to do that. Now I get up right away, drink a big glass of water, and make my bed. It helps me feel more awake.
That's a good routine. I just check my phone first thing. Maybe I should try your way.
Definitely. Starting the day with a small win, like a made bed, feels great.
Eating and drinking habits. I'm starving. I didn't have time for breakfast.
Oh no. I always have a quick breakfast, some yogurt and fruit. I also try to drink plenty of water during the day.
I just drink coffee all morning, and I often snack on chips in the afternoon.
Maybe try a healthy snack like an apple with peanut butter. It gives you more energy.
Work or study habits. I have so many tasks today. I don't know where to start.
I make a to-do list every morning. I do the hardest task first when my focus is best.
That's smart. I get distracted by emails.
Try turning off notifications for an hour. Taking short breaks also helps me stay focused.
Evening and night habits. What do you usually do after dinner?
I try to relax. I read a book or listen to music. I also pack my lunch for the next day.
I just watch videos on my phone in bed.
I heard it's better to avoid screens before sleep. It helps you sleep better.
Exercise and movement habits. You look great. Do you exercise a lot?
Thanks. I go for a 30-minute walk every day. On weekends, I sometimes go for a hike.
I need to move more. I sit at a desk all day.
Maybe you can start by taking the stairs instead of the elevator. Small changes help.
Social and communication habits. I feel like I never see my friends anymore.
Me too. We're all so busy. I usually send text messages, but it's not the same.
Right? Let's schedule a video call this weekend. We can have a virtual coffee together.
That's a wonderful idea. I'll message the group chat now.
Financial habits. I can't believe how much money I spent this month.
I use a budgeting app to track my expenses. It helps me see where my money goes.
That's a good habit. I always pay my bills as soon as I get them so I don't forget.
Same. And I try to save a little money from every paycheck.
Hobby and leisure habits. What do you do in your free time?
I'm learning to play the guitar. I practice for about 20 minutes every evening.
That's cool. My hobby is listening to podcasts while I cook.
It's nice to have an activity that isn't work, isn't it?
Bad habits and breaking them. I really want to stop biting my nails.
What usually triggers it?
I think it's when I feel stressed.
Maybe you can try using a stress ball instead. Recognizing the trigger is the first step to breaking the habit.
Forming new habits. I want to start meditating every day for my mental health.
That's a great goal. Motivation is key. Try doing it for just 5 minutes after you brush your teeth.
Good idea. Linking it to an existing habit. I'll track my progress on a calendar.
Consistency is more important than perfection. You can do it.
Household and chore habits. Your apartment is always so tidy. What's your secret?
I do a little bit every day. For example, I clean the kitchen right after dinner.
I let everything pile up and then spend all Saturday cleaning.
Try a 15-minute tidy up each evening. It makes a big difference.
Sleep habits. I'm always so tired in the morning.
What time do you usually go to bed?
Around midnight, but I watch TV in bed.
Try having a regular bedtime, like 10:30 p.m., and keep your room dark and quiet. It improved my sleep quality a lot.